Hi everyone, my name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytra Creation Designs/Designs by LaJoytra. If you are looking for a different technique or a different design that you can sell and you can learn how to make and create it, Designs by LaJoytra has you covered. I have been making and creating jewelry, ladies and gentlemen, for the past 15 years. And I have classes that are going on right now. And every last one of these items that you see right here has been handmade by me. You will learn how to do the technique. And once you learn how to do the technique, you can sell, create, and make these items at your own leisure. Once you learn how to do the technique and you're paying for the class, you will be able to sell the design, okay? If you think that this is something that you would be interested in, if you are a business owner, or even if you are someone who just loves to do this for a hobby, this would also be good for you to take because that way it will broaden your craft. You will learn the many different techniques that will take you into your creative zone, okay? So if you think this would be something that you would be interested in, please send me an email. The ones that's in the middle are my prototypes, the ones that's the feathers right there. And I do a variety of different things, y'all. I do painting, I do wire wrapping. You will learn how to do a lot of many different designs that you can sell in your shop, however you want to do it. It's completely up to you. But I just wanted to come to you all to let you know that if this is something you're interested in, please send me an email and I will get back to you with the details on the classes and how much everything costs. I want to thank you all for watching so very much. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.